Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to study articles. As you know that three articles are used in English language: definite article the and indefinite articles a and n. So without delaying, we start using rules of using the articles. First of all, we study using indefinite articles. I mean a and n. So I start rule number 1. A common noun in singular number always requires an article before it. Simply I will say that with singular common noun, a table, a chair, a fan, all these common nouns take article before them, and that is indefinite articles or definite article. And the next rule number 2 is the choice between two indefinite articles a and n. Simply I is used when we when we look that some word is starting with a consonant sound, as I say a table, a chair, a book, and we use an with a word starting with vowel sound as an owl, an egg, and I am stressing on sound, not on word, as I am saying an MPA and not an university student. I say a university student. So you should keep this in mind. The rule number 3 is sometimes makes a proper noun a common noun. Makes a proper noun a common noun when I say that he is a Shakespeare of Urdu language, or he is a Shakespeare of Hindi language. So what's the matter when we say that we are comparing someone with someone else? As we say that Agha Hashir Kashmiri is the Shakespeare of Urdu drama, a Shakespeare. Here we will use a Shakespeare. Rule number 4 is a and an are used as one, each, and per. One, each, or per. You can take the examples as $1,000 means $1,000, and the next is a car, it means one car, and the next is 50 miles an hour. Here an is denoting per hour. Rule number 5 is uh, indefinite article often precede with descriptive adjectives. Adjectives sometimes take indefinite article before them, as a good boy, a nice car. And the next rule number 6 is with some words, with some adjectives, a few, a little, a lot, and a most, but in case of many, are and. You should remember these rules that a is used with few, little, lot, and most, and it will precede the words, and in case of many it will come after many. So I move to the next step when we use the. The is to specify something. Basically the is to specify something, and when we use something proper, something unique in itself, something already discussed, something already referred, there we will use the as example. I will say that I saw a cow in the meadow. The cow was very beautiful. The I am placing here before cow, as I am referring to the cow I have already discussed in my previous sentence. So the is to specify the things. Rule number 2 is the is used to generalize a group of whole class, as the dog. Here a singular dog is specifying the whole class of dogs. And the next, the English, all the English people, all the people of England are as a nation are industrious. And then the honest are respected. It means that all the people who are honest are respected. In the same way, the poor in the same way The poor is specifying here all the poor are not dishonest. And the rule number 3 is to particularize a noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns, the water, the oil. So the things that cannot be counted are used as uncountable nouns. And the rule number 4 is the is mandatory before things which are only of kind in the universe. Unique things, the moon, the sun, the earth. For unique things we use the before them. And the rule number 5 is with geographical nouns, depends on their plurality of things those nouns refer to. The is generally used anywhere, so we should learn its exceptions. Exceptions are necessary. We don't use the with name of continents, with name of countries, and with the names of singular lakes, names of singular mountains, and names of singular islands. Here we will never use the, and names of sports and names of discipline, subjects of studies. We will never use the mathematics, the history, the computer. We will simply, and here next thing we should learn that the is necessary with the things, as I am saying that names of oceans, gulfs, seas, and rivers. The Pacific, the Atlantic. I repeat, the is used with names of oceans, gulfs, seas, and rivers, as the Nile, the Darling River, and the names of countries with United States. United States, as United States are island, mean that there is no single country, but this is a group of countries who have united for their uh, united cause or single cause. And names of lakes, Great Lakes, the Great Lake, the African Great Lakes. And the next is the name of mountain range. In our previous words we studied that name of single mountains and single countries we will never use. Article the we will use with mountain ranges, not single mountains. The Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes. And the names of group of island, the West Indies, and the Andamans. So it's the end of our lecture. Tomorrow we will solve its exercise, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.